Today you will learn 30 English sentences that you can use every day. So let's get started. Lesson number 1, sentence number 1. Good morning. It means a greeting used in the morning. For example, good morning. How are you? Sentence number 2. How are you? It means used to ask someone how they are. For example, how are you today? Sentence number 3. I am fine, thank you. It means used to answer when someone asks how you are. For example, I am fine, thank you. How about you? Sentence number 4. Nice to meet you. It means used when meeting someone for the first time. For example, nice to meet you. Welcome to our class. Sentence number 5. Thank you. It means used to show gratitude. For example, thank you. Thank you for your help. Sentence number 6. You are welcome. It means a polite reply to thank you. For example, have a nice day. Sentence number 7. See you later. It means used when saying goodbye and expecting to meet again. For example, bye, take care. Sentence number 8. What's your name? It means used to ask someone's name. For example, hello, what's your name? Sentence number 9. My name is Sarah. It means used to tell your name. For example, my name is Emma. Sentence number 10. Good night. It means used before going to sleep. For example, good night, sweet dreams. Sentence number 11. Excuse me. It means used to get someone's attention. For example, excuse me, can you help me? Sentence number 12. I'm sorry. It means used to apologize. For example, I am sorry. I am late. Sentence number 13. Please. It means used to be polite. For example, please sit down. Sentence number 14. You are right. It means used when someone is correct. For example, you are right. That's a good idea. Sentence number 15. I don't understand. It means used when something is nothing clear. For example, I don't understand this question. Sentence number 16. Can you help me? It means asking for help. For example, can you help me please? Can you help me with this bag? Sentence number 17. I don't know. It means used when you don't know the answer. For example, I don't know the answer. Sentence number 18. What time is it? It means asking about the time. For example, what time is it now? Sentence number 19. I am busy. It means saying you have work to do. For example, I am busy right now. I am busy right now. Sentence number 20. I am hungry. It means saying you want to eat. For example, I am hungry. Let's have a lunch. Sentence number 21. I am thirsty. It means used when you need something to drink. For example, I am thirsty, I need some water. Sentence number 22, let's go. It means used to suggest going somewhere or starting something. For example, let's go to the park. Sentence number 23, come here. It means used to ask someone to come closer. For example, come here please. Sentence number 24, wait a minute. It means used to ask someone to wait for a short time. For example, wait a minute, I'll be back. Sentence number 25, be careful. It means used to warn someone to stay safe and avoid danger. For example, be careful while crossing the road. Sentence number 26, I agree. It means used when you have the same opinion as someone else. For example, I agree with you. Sentence number 27, that's a great. It means used to express happiness or excitement about something. For example, you passed the exams, that's great. Sentence number 28, congratulations. It means used to praise someone for an achievement or good news. For example, congratulations on your new job. Sentence number 29, have a nice day. It means used to wish someone a good day. For example, goodbye, have a nice day. Sentence number 30, take care. It means used to tell someone to stay safe and healthy. For example, bye, take care.